Hey everyone, it's Dave. My 2012 Kia has left us stranded twice and needed to be jump started. A sign the battery needs to be replaced. So today, I'll show you how to go ahead and replace the battery. You're watching Dave's Auto DIY. First, we need to remove these 3 clips or bolts across the front of the air duct over the battery. And they come out and they look like this. When you pull out the pin, the plastic thing will pull out of the hole. With those 3 off, you should be able to lift it up and pull the air duct out of the air box. Now with the battery exposed, we can loosen the negative terminal with a 10mm ratchet. Just loosen it a little bit so it's loose, and you can pull it off the post and tuck it to the side so it won't touch anything. And then the positive, you push this clip, lift it up, same thing, 10mm, loosen it off the post, and set it to the side. Then there is a bracket at the front with a 12mm. Get a long extension on your ratchet and remove this front bracket which holds the battery from sliding forwards and back. Looks like this one's got some sort of blanket around it. Looks like it's just insulation. So we can pull it out. Alright, I'll take off the blanket and put it on the new battery. We'll lift the new battery in with the positive terminal on the left, which is the red, and we'll push it back to the back of the tray. Then we'll reattach the bracket with the 12mm bolt to the front to hold the battery from sliding around on the battery tray. Just remove these plastic caps. We'll put the positive terminal back on and squish it down on the new battery and tighten it up on the post. Put the negative terminal back on as well. Wiggle it down. Tighten it up. And slide the air duct back on and position it over the holes. And just sort of pull these pins out far enough that the 4 plastic legs can be pressed through the opening and press it down. So the car starts fine and there's no engine warning lights. So when you replace the battery, it'll default back to degrees Fahrenheit. And we prefer degrees Celsius being here in Canada. So to change it back to Celsius, so you hit mode and then hold the dual button for 3 seconds or more. And there we go. It switched to Celsius. And so that's it. Now all I have to do is return the old battery because there is a core charge. So you have to recycle the old battery and we're good to go. So I hope you learned something. I hope you hit subscribe and I hope to see you next time on Dave's Auto DIY.